Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Okay. From next lecture, we'll do on Meet because for recording only I am using Zoom. Other than that, no. Whose voice is coming? Hello, Dax.
Yes, sir.
Some mic is open. Okay.
Yeah.
From here, 1, 2, 3. This is the answer. 1, 2, 3. This is the answer. 1, 2, 3. This is the answer. Like that. Now -3. -3. 2 minus 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So -3, -1, 1, 4. Like that, 0 -3, 1 -1, 2, 1, 3, 4. Up to 4, up to 4. Okay. Now I am drawing graph. In board exam, they will provide. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Upside plus positive, downside minus negative. You should know how to take the point on a graph. Now for this, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2. Sorry, 0 minus 2. 1, 1, 1 and 1. Now 2 and 4. Now we join that. Now 0 minus 3. 1 minus 1. 2 and 1. Take minimum 3 points. Now we join this. Somewhere here they will meet, that is -1, -4. Two lines. So what is the equation of this line? This is second one. 2x minus y is equal to 3. This is first line. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Correct? So -1, -4, this is the solution. So like that, make a table, take 3 points on a line, join that line first, then take another 3 points of second table, join the line. Where these two lines intersect, that is your solution. In previous, by particular method, by making same, by substituting that, we got the answer. See here, we got the answer by graph. So if we will solve these two equations, this and this, we will get this equation, this solution only. Follow? So -1 and -5, when I am substituting this or this, it is balance both the side. Left side is equal to right side. Means your answer is correct. One more example. Now of this solved example on page number 9, very easy way we can solve. And in that, see, this both we have done by y. Now we will do by x. Why in between you are opening the mic? Here x is equal to 4 minus 2y. X is equal to 4 minus 2y. Here same as it is. That this I will explain. Now it is x, no? So again x, y. But here now this 0, 1, 2, 3 you will write. If equation is in the form of x, write y is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. If equation in the form of y, write x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Now substituting. Oral substitute. Oral. 0. Y is equal to 0. So 4. It is 1. 2 ones are 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 4 less 2 is 2. 2 difference. Less 2, less 2, less 2. So your answer 40 means same interval. First x, then y. Now this is very different type of equation. This is ax plus by. When c is divisible by a, 12 is divisible by 3. When c is divisible by b, 12 is divisible by 6. A and b can divide c. At this time, substitute x is equal to 0. 3x, 6y, 12. 3x, 6y, 12. X is equal to 0. So 6y is equal to 12. So y is equal to 2. Now y is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 by 3, 4. Substitute x is equal to 0, find y. Substitute y is equal to 0, find x. Like that, you can find at least two answers. First x, then y. Now let's solve by graphic. Positive, negative, left negative, right positive, up positive, down negative. Now take this. 4 0. 4 and 0 here only. 2 and 1. 0 and 2. 0 and 2, 4 and 0. These are same line. See, 0 and 2, 4 and 0, same line. So like that, when both the equations are with the same point, there are many intersection points. You can say this because it is a common line. I am having some treatment problem in my mouth, so tomorrow there will be no lecture. On Friday I will take the lecture, and Friday without forget attend this lecture, because one very innovative. It is my method. The name of that method, Kramer rule. It is given in next topic. That is very compulsory question in the SSC board. Kramer rule, which is given in the textbook. That also I will explain. And one more method I will explain. That is my method. The name of that my method is HEART method. Last year also we have followed this same method, some same technique, Zoom and all. This is like a studio in my home. You will see the charger and connected to the Wi-Fi extension wire of this, so I can move throughout the room. Camera, web camera, USB, there are lots of things, and I am away from the mobile and laptop. Someone else is the host, and see how we cooperate and work. So if you have any problem, just write it. Next time also I will conduct on Zoom. Then from Monday we will conduct on Meet. So don't problem. Don't worry, because in this, what is the problem that after this is a 1 hour lecture, no, that is why last year it was only 45 minutes, so 45 minutes continuously it will work. So here also I have to break my video into two. This all I will upload on my YouTube channel. So you subscribe my YouTube channel. So whenever I will in my YouTube channel, you will find lots of motivational video which I have created. Small story of 2 minute, 3 minute, very interesting and life motivating lines and stories and content. So day by day, the situation is clearing. So I hope that very early we will see each other face to face physically to the school. बहुत सारी मुसीबतें आती रहती है, but I will send you the link. Only you have to subscribe. When you will open my link, no, there is a subscribe title will be there. तो कितने भी मुसीबत आए, खड़े रहो, हंसते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो, झेलते रहो, उसमें से आगे निकलते रहो. ताली, तारीफ और ट्रॉफी, दुनिया इसके लिए काम करती है. ताली मिले, वाहवा मिले, ट्रॉफी मिले, तारीफ मिले, लोग इसके लिए काम करते हैं. हम इसके लिए काम नहीं करते, हम हमारे बच्चे के लिए काम करते हैं. एक एक बच्चा, they are like my son and daughters, so they must get perfect education, perfect guidance. And I am working from 18 years in SSC board as a moderator. So there are lots of things that we have concluded that which are very important for the student. So start to finish, when you will be with me, so you will come to know that very particular things which are very important that I will cover in revision also and in moderation lecture also. So in lockdown from March to March, even I have done lots of work. As a student, you have to do a lots of work, but as a teacher also, I have done lots of work. I have achieved around, not around, exact 97 certificate in this lockdown only. Only 3 remain to make it century. So see, day by day, we are also working. Day by day, we are also doing hard work. And I have taken lots of students as a reduction in Gujarati medium, in English medium. except this St. Lawrence. St. Lawrence student are my duty, but rest of students also I'm adopting, and by this YouTube or the Zoom meeting, I'm guiding them also. So now be matured. You are not in school level exam. You are now on public level exam. So you have to be matured on that level. So ताली तारी for trophy. मिले या ना मिले ये तो मुकद्दर की बात है, पर हम कोशिश भी ना करें तो गलत बात. Thank you, Acha. We will meet on Friday, and very interesting and very important topic of the simultaneous, that is Kramer's rule, and by Vijay's method, Hart method. Thank you. Ducks close, Vicha.
Okay, sir.